Ken Fain, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods. Can I bring up a delicate subject? It's your toilet. Why am I talking about toilets? Because very often we're asked to work on bathrooms, to put in a new tile floor. We may put in a luxury vinyl plank floor. We might put in a vinyl floor. But there's the problem of the toilet. In old houses, very often, toilets leak, and they're not the only things that leak. Men are known for sometimes having bad aim. When you want to have your bathroom done, you may have a problem around your toilet that you can't see. It may be a problem that we can't see. It's what we call a hidden condition. So once we begin to pull up the existing floor, you may have rotted subfloor, you may even have rotted structural floor that may require, probably at the very least, some new plywood, at the very most, maybe some structural remedies and mold remediation. So that's the sad and sometimes ugly truth about redoing your bathroom and problems that you may find around your toilet. Ken Fain, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods.